Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of Member Circle using Adobe Captivate. In this demonstration, we are going to be showing you some of the features and functions of both the personal and organizational portals. This is a sample personal page created for a member of the Association for ERGs and Councils. Moving from left to right, you will see the homepage pictures, any active announcements, the user's person-to-person bulletin board, and any upcoming events from this user's groups. With Member Circle's messaging feature, users can send and receive private messages with members of their inner circle. Users can also create groups from their inner circle and organizational groups to facilitate faster communication. Now let's take a brief look at the Photos feature of Member Circle. Clicking Photos at the top of the page will take the user to their photo gallery. The gallery will be populated by albums containing individual photos. From here, members of a user's inner circle can view or comment on individual photos, and the user can change photo properties such as album placement, titles, and searchable keywords, among others. Clicking the calendar link at the top of the page will take us to the individual calendar module, which acts as a compiler for all of the user's groups. This calendar shows events from one ERG. If an employee belongs to more than one ERG, they can color-code events from different groups to make the calendar easier to navigate. The Connections tab at the top of the Personal page shows a drop-down menu that allows users to manage their relationships with other Member Circle users. We are going to click on My Inner Circle to show you the different functions available from that page. From this page, users can manage their received Inner Circle requests, search for members of mutual organizations, as well as create and manage groups from their inner circle. Member Circle's networking feature allows users to network within their organization in order to locate other users with expertise in a particular field or some other trait. Hovering over the My Account tab at the top of the page brings up a drop-down menu that allows users to jump to their personal homepage at any time, as well as a link to their personal profile where they can change their personal information and preferences. Hovering over My Memberships shows a drop-down menu that lets users jump from group to group, manage their personal preferences for each of their groups, as well as search for and join additional groups within their organization. We will now use this feature to jump to this user's ERG. This is a sample homepage for the Association of ERGs and Councils. Moving from left to right, you will see a rotating slide banner, homepage pictures, a newsfeed window that automatically updates whenever new content is added, and a sponsor link window that allows for external links. Below the homepage pictures, you will find two links labeled Announcements and Calendar. When clicked, the Announcements link will change the newsfeed window into a list of active announcements where site administrators can create, edit, or delete these announcements. Clicking the Calendar link will take the user to the group calendar where any group events or parent events will be listed. Here we have the organizational calendar for the AEC. To the left, you'll see a list labeled Upcoming Events, which is populated by any events that will occur in the next 7 days. To the right, in the monthly view, you can see events taking place throughout the month that were created by the group or any parent group. Clicking an individual event will open a window providing more detail about the chosen event. Users will be able to see where the event was created, when and where the event takes place, and any additional information included by the event creator. Hovering over the About Us tab at the top of the page will cause a drop-down menu with 4 links to informational pages to appear. History, frequently asked questions, and Contact Us are fairly self-explanatory, and the Sponsors page is included for any group that may have internal or external sponsors. Now let's take a look at the AEC page's document repository. Member Circle's document repository is searchable throughout an entire organization, and any user with upload permissions can submit content. Users upload documents to folders created by site administrators in order to make document retrieval easier. Although only PDF files are currently shown, Member Circle accepts multiple types of documents as well as informing the user when the document was uploaded or last updated. The Photos feature of the organizational portal works just like the personal side. The only difference is that photos uploaded to the organizational side have multiple access levels to choose from, ranging from local group only to public. Let's take a look at the Discussions feature by clicking the Discussions tab at the top of the page. Discussions on Member Circle are separated into 2 parts, topics and threads. Topics are overarching themes created by administrators which individual threads fall into. To view or create threads within a single topic, the user simply needs to click which topic they wish to view. Once a topic has been chosen, the user will be able to find any public threads within the chosen topic, as well as any private threads to which they have been invited or have created. Users will also be able to gauge the activity level of a thread by viewing the amount of replies it has, as well as when the last comment was submitted. Users can also opt into a daily discussion summary that will alert them to any discussion activity in groups that they belong to. When an individual thread is opened, users will see the initial post and can choose to view any comments that have been submitted. Users will also be able to report an entire thread or individual comments to site administrators if they feel the content is inappropriate or sensitive in nature. Now, because the account I'm using is also an administrative account, you will also see an inline management tool that will allow me to edit or delete the entire thread. Again, because this is an administrative account, there is an Admin tab at the top of the page. Hovering over the Admin tab will cause a drop-down menu with a list of tools that aid in the administration of the page to appear. From here, administrators can manage users, documents, and content, among many other things. On a final note, as was previously stated, jumping from the organizational portal back to the user's personal homepage is as simple as hovering over My Account and clicking My Homepage. Now that we have viewed what features and functions Member Circle has to offer its users, let's take a look at the administrative functions on both the personal and organizational portals.